In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into the app menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is black, which means that location is off. To switch it back on, click on the same one. If you want to, you can also go into settings, scroll down and look for location section over here. Then click on this switcher next to use location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!